Hi Roy, glad you dropped in today. We're going to be making one of my favorite things. You may know, I had not heard of this till about a year ago. And it probably is my favorite cheesecake now, and it's Biscoff Cheesecake. The crust is made from Biscoff cookies. Now these are hard to find. I got mine from Amazon, but I'll tell you what you can use instead of this if you cannot find them. Is graham cracker. You know the graham crackers that have cinnamon on them, be just as good. In fact, that's what I've got in half of mine. I wanted to save a few for my topping, so I put some graham crackers to make I'm going to say this is 3 cups, and this is a 1/4 cup of butter, real butter. I do not use margarine anymore, do you? Although it's gone up awfully high. When we had gone out to eat, and this was for dessert, this cheesecake, and I'd never heard of it, so we tried it. So I asked the waitress what it was called. She told us Biscoff Cheesecake. So I come home, and of course got on the internet and found it. And what I have to say, there's 1,000 recipes for it, so you have to pick the one you like the best. I'm using a pan like this. Spread it out, and let's press it down. I've always loved cheesecakes, but now some of the recipes calls for the cooked cheesecake for Biscoff, but it's up to you. I think the main ingredient is the cookies and the Biscoff cookie batter. Now I found this at Walmart, where the peanut butter is, in that section right through there. Okay. Set it aside. That's 3 cups of Biscoff cookies and a 1/4 cup of butter. You can use any other. I think you could use. Well, you need to put a little bit of cinnamon with it if you do. This is 2 packages of cream cheese, container of Biscoff cookie batter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and you can use whipping cream, 2 cups of whipping cream, and whip it up real good. I'm using Greek yogurt. This is my idea because I love Greek yogurt, and it just goes too good with this. So Greek yogurt and vanilla. This is still the vanilla we made a couple of years ago, and it's still wonderful. We add to it now. The hypha, just a bit of vanilla. I've already whipped my whipped cream cheese a little bit. So let's put our Greek yogurt in. I'd say that's half. Let's see how much is in here. Okay. Okay. 2 cups. More or less. Our powdered sugar, half a cup, 2 cups of this, or 2 cups of whipped cream. And most of this Biscoff. I'm going to save just a little bit for the topping. It does look like peanut butter, but it's not. That might be why they put it in that section. I don't know. Who knows? Yeah, that looks like enough. And now what we're going to do is whip it. Start off with it. I guess I beat it maybe 3 or 4 minutes. But it ought to see, it looks so pretty. And it's so good. Now when I get it in here, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And just about an hour before I'm going to get it out, I'm going to put it in the freezer so we can put the topping and stuff on it. So let's say 3 hours. It's well worth the wait, I can assure you. You have to decide whether or not you want company when you make this. Or do you want to save for itself? Well, not good. That was a lot of people decorate it with whipped cream on top. See, it fills almost the whole pan. Can you use anything but a spring pan? I don't know that one because I haven't done it without a spring pan. You probably could. You won't be able to show it as much. It's sort of a showy dessert. But I never made other cheesecakes in this pan. Okay. It goes in the refrigerator, and see you in a minute. Well, it's been in the refrigerator 2 hours and 1 hour in the freezer. So our Biscoff is ready. We'll make sure it's released from the bottom. There you go. Looks pretty pretty, doesn't it? Let's put a little bit of, this is just the Biscoff butter. I'm just going to put a little bit on top, since we had it left over. It ran down the sides a little bit. I tell you, I think you're going to agree this is the best thing you've ever tasted. And it was easy to make, wasn't it? Now, easy peasy. Okay. Remember, it's our Biscoff. And that's we're through. Let me cut a piece and see how it went. Okay. Let me get it. So. Oh yeah, a little messy. Good, too good. Not any better than that. Well, actually it's been an exciting day. I hope you try the Biscoff. And let me know. I'd like to know how you like it. Do you think it's the best one you ever ate? Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. Enjoy the day.